Let me show you all screen lock methods that we have available on Google Pixel 11 Pro. So in order to find all of them, we just have to open the settings and go to security and privacy. Then in here we can find device unlock, and let's just go to the screen lock. And in here we can find three basic standard password types. So we have the pattern, pin code, and password. Besides that, there is also the swipe option, which allows you to use the lock screen, but of course without a password, which doesn't provide any security at all. And in addition to that, if you go back to the device unlock, you can find a couple of additional methods that allow you to unlock the phone, but they require you to have the screen lock password anyway. So we have the fingerprint unlock option or the fingerprint sensor, and face unlock or face recognition. Either way, it is of course the same thing. And of course we also have the watch option, which means that if you have a Google Pixel watch, then you can use it to unlock your phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.